Morning, students. We are studying the chapter Determiners, and today we are going to start from Do It Yourself. Karan had a memorable experience during his summer vacation last summer. On his return, he wrote his experiences to a friend but left the letter incomplete. Read the letter, fill in the blanks with articles, and complete the letter for Karan. The first one has been done for you. So, students, here we will start. Chennai, 8 July 2020. I have filled. Dear Praful, I spent my summer vacation on an island. So, this is an article that is underlined. One day, underline means that has been filled up. One day I went for a long walk. The sun तो definite है ना, sun तो एक ही और definite है, तो we will put the, was bright that day. I walked beyond the small cottages till I reached the seashore. There I saw a sand castle. I wondered whether a child or an adult had made it. I peeped through an opening in the castle and saw an old coin lying there. I thought the coin belonged to the Mughal period. I put the coin in my purse. Soon a huge wave came and destroyed the castle. Your friend Karan. So you will fill it like that only. Look at the following pictures. All the people in the picture seem unhappy and dissatisfied. Select correct answers from the given help box to know the reasons for their unhappiness. So, this is the help box. What's wrong with this jacket? So, from the help box, I have found out it's too big for me. Why can't she get these books? These are placed too high, you can see in the picture. Is he going to buy that television? So he is looking the price. No, it's too expensive. Why doesn't he like this weather? It's too hot. So students, that also we have done. Now underline the demonstratives used in the questions above. Complete the following poems by inserting articles. What you are supposed to do here? We are supposed to underline these demonstratives. देखो, this jacket, these books, that television, this weather. Demonstrative. देखो, this jacket, इस jacket को demonstrate कर रहे हैं, बता रहे हैं. Then these books, ये these books, इन books के बारे में. Then that television, इस television के बारे में demonstrate हो रहा है. This weather, इस weather के बारे में demonstrate हो रहा है. तो these are the demonstratives. Now underline the demonstrative. So we have done. Complete the following poems by inserting articles. There was dash old man from Cochin. So we will put an old man. Oh, ये है vowel sound. He had a leg made of tin. When he went for a walk, you just couldn't talk because the, अब देखो दोबारा बात हो रही है ना, the leg made a terrible din. There were 3 young men from Dehradun. They flew round the world in a balloon. Again we are talking about balloon. So the balloon started to fall over. The Great Wall of China. अब देखो Great Wall of China ये एक ही है, definite है, तो we will put the. The unlucky 3 men. अब यहाँ हमने an क्यों नहीं लिखा? Because an तो singular के साथ आता है. Here we have plural. Who grew very frightened, tied themselves with a rope. This they did with a hope that live or depart they would not part. So thought the 3 men from Dehradun. Okay, you are also supposed to fill like that only. Nikki wrote the following letter to her uncle thanking him for the birthday gift he had sent her. But there are a few errors in it. Underline the error in each line and write the correct word in the space provided. The first one has been done for you. Dear uncle, thanks the lot. अब the की जगह a lot. A pot with the tiny sapling that you. So underline the, put a. You have sent is a best gift. अब देखो बेस्ट सुपरलेटिव डिग्री है, मैंने आपको बताया था, गुड बेटर बेस्ट, उसके साथ आएगा द. That I have ever received. I have kept it on a little stool near the window. I water it every day. Already a little leaf has sprouted from its tender stem. The sight of that leaf fills me with joy. There is an eager wait for more leaves. Thanks a lot. ठीक है, आपने भी बिल्कुल ऐसे यू आर सपोज टू अंडरलाइन एंड देन हेयर यू आर सपोज टू fill the blanks. So students, up to here only we will study today. Okay, आपने इतना अपना काम कंप्लीट करना है बिल्कुल, और इस बुक को बिल्कुल मेंटेन करके रखना है. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स, हैव अ नाइस